Greetings, I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into your energy to see what the heck you got going. Someone, gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. Take a resonate, leave what does not. If it doesn't apply, go ahead and let that energy fly. I could be speaking of a masculine, it could be a feminine energy. If you have not subscribed as of yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Gratitude for showing your girl love. Gratitude for taking me for who I am and phoning a friend, to phone a friend, especially if the readings resonated. Hopefully you guys had a wonderful weekend. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. All right, let's get into it now. Let's put all that yabbity yab. What y'all got going on? What's happening? Let me see. What's going on? Divine Space Family, Friends, and Collective. Well, Spirit ain't wasting no time. They want to get this one out immediately, okay? At the bottom of the deck, I am definitely seeing memory. So it's some sort of nostalgic energy here, y'all. Nostalgia is in the mix. That's what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing there's somebody fed up. Somebody is fed up. It seems like there has been a lot that's been going on, and it seems like somebody has been taking note or tally of the things that they have been experiencing with someone while being in a marriage. This could be whoever you are. Y'all could be married to whoever this person is, or possibly engaged to be married or something like that. And it seems like you've been noticing a lot of red flags. I'm also showing that there's an energy of someone living a toxic lifestyle. They may be drinking a lot. Okay. This person might drink and act a little crazy and things like that, but I'm seeing memories. Okay. Have you guys severed ties with this person? 'Cause I'm saying memories, romance. It's like you're looking back on something. Maybe you guys taking some sort of pictures. You're looking at some pictures. Polaroid could be significant, and especially when it comes to a romance or connection. So, you're looking back to when you guys first met. Because I'm seeing an energy of like love messages and things like that that y'all could possibly, or they could be looking through. But I'm seeing an energy of somebody a massive regret. Somebody is regretful for something that they did to someone that they were married to or planning on marrying. Let's go ahead and clarify this a little bit further. Let's see. Out of line. I keep seeing an energy of chill, chill, chill. I'm seeing an energy of drama and someone being angry. Okay, let me say. I just keep seeing the energy of chill here. Calm, stay calm, breathe. Make money, focusing on money. I'm seeing energy of offline sleeping. There may be somebody that's smoking. I'm seeing energy of stop. There's an energy of someone shedding tears, feeling like they need to take a break. You feeling overwhelmed. Yeah, I'm seeing somebody tally, good qualities, negative qualities. Written down, good qualities, negative qualities. There's an energy of somebody keeping tab. You might not have done that, but it could be like you doing it physically or you probably doing it mentally. Clarifying fed up, I'm saying, have I lost everything? Number 9, something coming to a completion, something coming to an end, something that you have been investing a lot of time, money, or energy into. Was it all for nothing? Or this could be whoever this person you're severing ties from or fed up with, possibly feeling that way or something like that. All right. Clarify married. Hold up. That was too many. Married. What is it that we need to know regarding married? Listen to your heart. Ooh. Clarify drinking, toxic lifestyle. One pentacle. And I want a fresh start. So, look, y'all. 911, y'all. This is an emergency. This is very significant here. Spirit say hello. Ring the alarm. Clarifying this drinking, this toxic lifestyle with this One of Pentacles is what I'm seeing here. It could be like a page. Breadcrumbing energetically, because they're divulging or entertaining in some sort of toxic lifestyle. With this One of Pentacles, it also it could be like the Ace of Pentacles or some sort of new financial beginning. It might be here for you guys after listening to your heart regarding whoever this person is and wanting some sort of fresh start. But again, somebody is looking back on the romance or some sort of connection or memories or texts or something that you had or they had with you. Place it whatever way it needs to be placed. Somebody looking at something. Let's go and clarify a little bit further. Let's see. Fed up. Have I lost everything? Fed up. Have I lost everything? That's what it seemed like. Somebody got fed up, and the person is asking, like, "Shit, I think I might have did too much. Have I lost everything? Have things come to an end? Have I fed up? Have I lost everything?" One more for fed up. Have I lost everything? I'm seeing an energy of depression. Okay, there's an energy of someone dealing with some sort of mental confusion or mental destruction. That's what I'm seeing here. Mentally destructive. I'm seeing somebody experiencing some sort of paranoia. Somebody's afraid that they're losing you. Somebody afraid that they're losing you. Number 62 can be significant. But again, I feel like this person may have some sort of addiction, well, everyone doesn't know that. But sometimes, a lot of times, the addiction take precedence. Somebody say something out their mouth, but their action don't fall in line with it because they have some sort of addiction. In this person's case, living some sort of toxic lifestyle. I feel like this person, I'm seeing energy of someone being very adventurous, moving with a lot of passion, exploring, doing whatever the hell they wanted to do, whether it made you happy or not, and someone getting fed up about it, like, hey, hold up, wait a minute, I don't know what's going on or how to handle things. You might even got a reading to receive some sort of clarity or some steps of what you should do next. I was speaking as if I was you. What should I do next? Okay, there's energy of planning, predicting, and strategizing. Okay, married, listen to your heart. If I'm married, listen to your heart. Y'all, hopefully you don't hear my stomach growling. I haven't eaten anything yet all day. It's 2:11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I haven't eaten anything yet. Clarify, Mary, listen to your heart. Now today want to growl. I got some water over here though. All right. So Mary, listen to your heart. I'm definitely seeing that there is an energy of some sort of profession here. This person has some sort of talent, expertise. I feel like this person carry a lot wear many hats. There's energy of confusion. And spirit wants you to listen to your heart because it seems like this person is trying to charm you with this sweetheart, coming off as unconditional love or to be unconditional loving towards you and beloved. This person trying to make you feel like you hit the jackpot or something like that. Number 32, 21, number one could be significant, but I see that you guys are receiving some sort of assistance. I'm seeing aid. This is like an energy of some sort of benevolent assistance. You see how the light is, a hand is reaching out as you are in the light. There's energy of kindness, mercy. Number 17 could be significant, especially when it comes to you listening to your heart and being guided. It's whatever you want to do. Your spirit guide, spirit team is they riding for you. It's whatever you want. But I feel like whoever you are, you're the one that's the jackpot. You're the one, you're the reward. You're the gift. You're the abundance. You're the good luck charm in this connection. Once you go, everything else leaves with you. Okay? Everything leaves with you when you leave. Clarify drinking, toxic lifestyle, one pentacle. Drinking, toxic lifestyle, one pentacle. Drinking, toxic lifestyle, one pentacle. At the bottom of the deck, I'm seeing an energy of you preparing, setting arrangements. There's energy of being ready. Somebody's getting ready to leave if they haven't left already. I'm seeing an energy of prompt, impromptu. Number 44 could be significant. I'm seeing there's energy of someone obtaining or have some sort of obedience, knowledge, wisdom, intuition, listening to your intuition. This was someone that you thought that you can trust. You were definitely being completely honest with whoever this person is. You thought this was your ace boon coon, your ride or die, your person. All right. I feel like there's an energy of this person indulging a lot with their friends. They find happiness and joy with going out with friends and things like that. Number 47, number 8, versus spending time with you. And then it seems like you guys wanting a fresh start. This could talk about this person wanting a fresh start with you. After you made up your mind, after enduring so much. I'm seeing an energy of this person being very, very private, you guys being in separation. Somebody has some sort of online community or doing something online. Number 66, they always on their phone. If they're not on their phone, they probably with their friends, drinking or something like that, partying or something that they're doing that's very toxic. They got a nerve to be sitting here looking back on memories, well, looking back on memory lane in regards to romance that you guys had, and talking about they want a fresh start with you after they done fudged up. Okay. Anything else for the Divine Space family, friends, and collective, please, Spirit? I'm definitely seeing the sun out here. Mm. Yeah, I'm definitely seeing an energy of joy, happiness. There's energy of freedom and peace in this person rushing in towards you with the Knight of Swords, trying to do something. It's like there's energy of this person in the Nine of Swords, regret, remorse, anxiety, experiencing some sort of depression. There's energy of somebody now. They're thinking about the things that they have done that they can't take back. They have to lay in the bed that they have made. Yeah, they have to lay in the bed that they made. It is going to require a lot of work, and it requires for both parties. And I like you not here for there's energy of you being fed up, like you don't want to work on it the time that you possibly want to work on it. They claim they want to work on it, make things right, nothing was changed. So it's like I don't even want to invest time, money, or energy into this. And the earth sign could be significant, strong. Taurus, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. I'm seeing you guys maintaining some sort of control, having boundaries set. You might even block this person. There's the energy of them laying in the bed that they met, especially since they were entertaining other options. They sure was. A fire sign, Leo, could definitely be significant when it comes to this person that they were entertaining. Is what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing someone letting go after a period, after some sort of enlightenment. It seems like it was after a period of waiting and you gain some sort of enlightenment, and I'm seeing you letting this person go and seeing things exactly for what it is, understanding that this person betrayed you, they backstabbed you, they played you. That's what it feel like. You backstabbed me, you betrayed me, you talk shit about me, shit, you lied, they possibly even lied, fucking very bitchy, very disrespectful type of energy. Then it's something that you don't want to entertain, and I'm seeing a closing of a cycle and then ending to a contract, whoever this person is, where you're standing in your power or forced to stand in your power. Have some. I'm seeing energy of strength. Take back your power. You taking back your power. You having the courage to walk away, take your power back, especially from this person because they had a lot of secrets. They was causing a whole lot of illusions, and they wanted you to continue to keep investing and time, money, and energy while they reap some sort of reward off of your energy, your time, and your efforts. Absolutely not. So Spirit said, go ahead and get ready. Go ahead and get ready. Be prepared. Number 44 here. You got protection around you. Um, because there's some sort of arrangement or something that's getting ready to happen, and they just want you to be ready for it. This is like a heads up. You have a good one.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know.